Hey, it's me, your girl, Kath. I bet you weren't expecting to see me today. It is not a Wednesday or a Sunday. I just decided to upload a little bonus video today because I've missed quite a few videos because of midterms. So today I'm going to be doing a November BOXYCHARM try-on style unboxing. I've actually been subscribed to BOXYCHARM for a few months. Wasn't very into September's BOXYCHARM, and October's never came. I'm still waiting on my replacement. So this is my first ever BOXYCHARM video. I'm very excited. This one looks fun. Should be good. If you're new here, make sure you are subscribed. I post videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And y'all, turn my notifications on. I have something really fun coming on Sunday, and I'm gonna be sad if you guys don't watch it, so turn my notifications on, okay? So I totally opened this box already. This isn't like a true unboxing. Sue me, thumbs down if you hate me. It's fine, I hate myself too. The Gold Digger box. Apparently this box is Kim Kardashian approved. I can almost guarantee you that none of these products has ever touched Kim Kardashian's face in her life. Let's start with this fun little thing. This is the Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleanser. So apparently this retails for $12. Cleansing and disinfecting your brushes has never been easier. Made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers, this cleansing spray easily disinfects and conditions your brushes. The directions on this say, spray directly onto brush hair and gently wipe on a paper towel. Use sparingly so as not to soak brush hair. For deeper cleansing, work cleanser into brush hair and rinse in cool water. Squeeze excess water and lay brush flat to dry. Cool. So I'm going to test this on two of these brushes from the Luxie brush set that came in here. More on that in a second. I have used them already. I don't think that was sparingly. I also don't have a paper towel, so we're going to use this reusable cotton pad because I'm an environmental hoe. So one spray down, there's still color on these. So no more pigment is coming off of these, but there still like is a little bit on the brush. I think it's cute. I think it will be nice because a lot of times I just pour my cellar water onto a cotton pad and just like wipe my brushes because sometimes I want to use brushes that aren't actually clean. So I feel like this is a nice like step up from that, but still step down from actually cleaning your brushes, which none of us do as much as we should. So a little more on these brushes. This is the Luxie Luminous Eye Brush Set. It retails for $21 and you get these 4 teensy little brushes, and I'm so excited about this because I suck at doing under eyeshadow, if y'all haven't noticed from watching my videos, and I feel like having these nice little detail brushes might help me up my game just a little bit. These aren't like big old blending brushes. They're nice little detail brushes, which is cool. So speaking of eyeshadow, in this box you get the Ace Beauté Grandiose Eyeshadow Palette, and it says the value is $25. Features 4 shimmer shades, 4 bold mattes. Your new Grandiose palette has all you need to create unlimited eye looks. These eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. So I am personally quite excited to try this eyeshadow palette out. I was very into that like 4 palette collection that this brand released, and I never bought any of them because they were expensive and I didn't know what the quality was. So this is a nice way to test that out. This is what the palette looks like. It's like color wise nothing is incredibly special in here in my opinion, but it's cute. You have like your very pretty warm tones with your pops of color like we've seen it before, but it's very pretty, and if the quality is there, the quality's there, you know what I'm saying? So I have my trusty old Milani eyeshadow primer on, and since these Luxie brushes are tiny, I'm going to use other brushes for this eye look as well. I'm going to use my trusty old BH Cosmetics number 11 to go into the shade Patchouli, which is like a yellowish, like I wouldn't call it a taupe, but I wouldn't call it like a fair Like I'd call it a tan. I'd call it a tan. That's what I'll call it. So this is going messily into my crease and probably not going to show up because it's just a slightly jaundiced version of my skin color. Now I'm going to go into the shade Clove, which is this like matte peach shade. This might be the shade I'm most excited about in this palette. We'll see. Using my BH Cosmetics number 5, trusty old little slightly dense blending brush. And I'm just going to do my like usual dust this into the crease and outer corner sort of thing. The shade's like not as dark as I was expecting. To add a little bit of depth to this, I'm going to take the shade Cinnamon on an AOA Studio E126. Real similar to that BH Cosmetics one. And I'm going to start using the Luxie brushes. I'm going to use the Luxie 121 mini tapered brush to go into the shade Poppy, that gorgeous deep burgundy shade in here. Guys, the fallout with this shade, holy shit. What? Excuse me? Let me just take some micellar water. For the amount of fallout I got from that, I would definitely expect these to be more pigmented. I will say that. I'm gonna go back into Clove and try to like blend this some more. Yeah, I'm like not even gonna sugarcoat it and say that I'm like impressed by this right now. I kind of feel like my face speaks for itself. Like, what? I am gonna do a half cut crease. That always seems to be the most efficient way to salvage a look. Using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer and this little like flat paddle brush from LA Girl. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild brush and go into the shade Myrtle. Myrtle is a bronze with lots of glitter in it, it looks like. And just for gigs. Ooh, see, that's pretty. And that's dry, y'all. Like, it's dry over top of an unset concealer, but it's still dry nonetheless. I'm gonna take this Naked brush to get up a little closer to the actual concealer. So I left enough space to take the shade Primrose, which is like a bronzy gold, and pop that onto the center part, not the center, the inner part of the lid. These shimmers are stunning. Absolutely stunning. And if you watch me, you know I'm picky about them. This matte, not so much. Just trying to deepen up this outer part of the eye just a little bit. Like, these shimmers were dry over concealer. Let me just clean up this under eye. Okay, so I thought that the eyeliner that came in here was gonna be a liquid liner, and it's not. So I might put this on my under eyes, we'll see. I'm actually going to do my face makeup and some liner and mascara off camera so this video isn't like 2 years long. Then we'll come back and try to finish up the under eye. God, these mats suck, yo. They really do. I'll be right back. Okay, so as I was putting on this foundation, I realized that there's no way in heck I would ever even wear this look outside. So I'm just gonna try on the rest of the items in the box and then take this makeup off. Sound good? So this is the Jaunt Bleu Glittering Star Eyeliner. Retails for $5. Okay, admittedly at this point I'm not really trying, but this is really hard. I'll play with it and see. It's not comfy in the waterline. Maybe to smoke out my upper lash line, we'll see. The last item is the Cover FX Glitter Drops in the shade Nova. So these retail for $44. I have some of the shimmer drops. So these are ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter that create a high impact reflective finish that wows. Multi-use glitter can be used alone, under or over makeup, or mixed into your foundation or moisturizer for an incredibly luxe glitter effect on the face and body. So this is gold. So we'll see how this looks on my cheeks. Oops. I'm gonna use my sponge because that's a lot. Okay, I'll say as a highlighter, like, it's okay, it's cute. I don't typically wear like pure gold highlighters, but smeared out, like really sheared out, this looks gorgeous on the skin. I could totally see myself mixing this into some lotion and giving myself like a Fenty Body Lava vibe. So yeah, I'm done. I'm just not trying anymore because the eyeshadow looks shit. It looks shit. So the palette, yeah, I think they should have just not included this shade Poppy. Like the other mattes like weren't anything special. They were not very pigmented and like didn't build up a lot or anything, but they weren't horrible. Poppy just kind of ruined everything. And like for that amount of fallout, like there should be a lot of pigment. The shimmers were beautiful. I really liked those. I could see myself maybe depotting this and keeping the two shimmers, the peach shade and the shade Jasmine. I don't know. I'm really glad I didn't buy their collection thing. Brush cleaner, definitely going to be useful. I actually think I'm going to throw this in my suitcase. I'm leaving to go home today. Cover FX drops. I mean, $44, y'all. First of all, they gave a $44 item in here. I'll probably mix them in with lotion, maybe with foundation. Definitely not going to use them as highlighter on their own because that's just like not the most flattering highlighter on me. The pencil thing I can't even find on my desk now, but I could have just done without. Like it wasn't necessary. These brushes, hands down my favorite thing in the box. Like these are incredible. I'm so excited about these, and I used them without this eyeshadow as well, so I can tell that they're really great and I'm gonna love them. And I need to remember to repack these. So that is it. That one was kind of a bust, mostly just thanks to that one red eyeshadow. But I hope you guys had fun watching me just completely hate my makeup. If you did, give this a thumbs up, turn my notifications on. Hopefully I'll see you on Sunday.